Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego butterfly knife. Yeah, so start building. So here's the pieces you need. Yeah, so you build two of this piece here, yeah, and two of this piece. Yeah. So now we start building. Yeah. So we start building the blade here. And you can see. Yeah. So if you put this here, take this, put right there. This, and so you have the blade. Yeah, and take this, put that in here, put one wall in here, so, and put a wall, so, and take this, so, and here we get placing the blade, right, so, and you take and build. We'll see. You also take and building this, I think we do it right. Yeah. So, yeah. And put that in there. And this. So, and put this in here. So now you have a Lego butterfly knife. It's awesome. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment in below here, and like and do whatever you want, and see you in the next video.